easy strategies to prevent overeating and manage your hunger. Today, I want to talk about something that affects so many of us: overeating. It's easy to get caught up in the moment, and before we know it, we've eaten an entire pizza by ourselves or several times at the dinner table. But what if I told you there are simple strategies to prevent overeating and manage your hunger? These hunger tips are easy to include in your daily life, and they can make a huge difference in your eating habits. One of the main reasons we overeat is because of emotional triggers. We've all been there, had a bad day, and the first thing we reach for is comfort food. Maybe you're feeling stressed, bored, or lonely, and food becomes an escape. Another common reason is distraction during meals. How many times have you eaten in front of the TV or scrolled through your phone while eating? It's easy to lose track of how much you're consuming when you're not paying attention. Lack of awareness is also a big culprit when it comes to overeating. If you're not in tune with your body's hunger and fullness indicators, it's easy to overdo it. And let's be real, sometimes we just eat out of habit or because the food is just so good. Whatever the reason, it's time to take control of our eating habits and make some changes. One of the simplest techniques is mindful eating. This means paying attention to your hunger and fullness hints, enjoying your food, and eating slowly. It's not about depriving yourself, but about being more present and aware of your body's needs. Another helpful tip is using smaller plates. This tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more than you actually are. And it's also a great way to control portion sizes. Staying hydrated is another crucial hunger tip. Sometimes thirst can masquerade as hunger, so drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb craving. And if you need an extra boost, try drinking a glass of water before meals to help you feel fuller faster. But the most impactful tip is this: eat more protein at breakfast. I know it sounds simple, but trust me, it's a game changer. When you start your day with a protein-rich breakfast, you're more likely to feel fuller for longer, and you're less likely to overeat later in the day. Plus, it gives you the energy boost you need to tackle your morning. Eating a protein-rich breakfast keeps you more focused and energized throughout the day. This one strategy alone can hugely change your eating habits. By including more protein into your breakfast routine, you hardly ever need to take snacks before lunch. And when you do, it's usually because you're actually hungry, not just bored or stressed. These hunger strategies are designed to help you take control of your eating habits and manage your hunger more effectively. Whether it's mindful eating, using smaller plates, staying hydrated, or eating more protein at breakfast, these simple tips can make a big difference in your daily life. Don't forget to check out our next video on what's causing my binge eating behavior. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.